Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Keeper. On a weekly time frame chart, the price line of Keeper is dropped down and getting bounced from the support of a very big down channel. And at the same time, there is a very big bullish divergence flashed on this chart. And in today's video, I would like to show you this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of September 2023 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for compound, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view. And there is a play button available on every trading view chart. And by the way, you can see this chart is showing when I shared this idea where the price line was moving, and after clicking this play button, it will show you how the price line moved after that. And you can see that the price line started a very massive rally from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Keeper. And on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that since after May 2022, the price line is moving inside this down channel very well between the resistance and support. And now you can see that the price line is dropped down at the support of the channel. By the way, during this move to the downside, we have broken down this very significant support at $64 that had been previously breaking as a very strong support here after this big drop. And after this big drop, you can see again it worked as a nice support. And here for several weeks, almost for 3 weeks, it had been working as a support. But after this breakdown, you can see it is flipped into a resistance, and the price line retested the previous resistance, previous support of $64 as a resistance. But after getting rejected, the price line again moved down at the support of the channel. And now you can see it is again geared up and trying to break out this resistance of $50 that was working as a support here. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for several days it had been working as a support, and now after the breakdown it is flipped into a strong resistance. And for the past several days you can see that the price line is again and again getting rejected by the resistance of $50. But at the same time, there is a very big bullish divergence flashed on this chart. As you can see that the price line is forming lower than previous low. It formed this low here, and the next low is lower than the previous low. And at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that it is forming a higher low than the previous low. So there is a very big bullish divergence flash on this chart. Therefore, now there is a very high probability that the price line may break out this resistance of $50. And once it will be able to break out the resistance of this $50, then imminently it can move to the next resistance of $64 and the resistance of this down channel as well. And once the price line will be able to break out this down channel, then the final target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That can be between $190 to $200. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.